When executing a digital strategy, we find the most significant inhibitor for companies is a lack of consideration for digital culture and training for their staff. Therefore, we believe to be successful, companies must take their people with them on their digital journey. We have recently launched our Demystifying Digital training course to educate organizations and enable them to fully embrace digitalization. In Demystifying Digital, we provide an in-depth introduction to Industry 4.0. We discuss the fundamentals of a digital manufacturing strategy. We explore the 9 pillars of technology. And finally, we explain the impact of digital on manufacturing and supply. So, what can you expect to achieve by taking this course? Once you have completed Demystifying Digital, you will understand the meaning and importance of Industry 4.0. You'll be able to identify the tools that are required to create an effective digital strategy. You will fully understand the benefits of digitalization for your own business, and you will know how to remain competitive in the modern manufacturing industry. This course is for business executives who want to better understand Industry 4.0 and how to capitalize on it. It's for manufacturing and automation industry professionals who want to remain competitive in their industry, and it's for anyone who's curious about data, technology, or increasing productivity in their own business. All of our courses are online and self-paced so that you can learn at your own speed and at your own convenience. Each course contains quizzes throughout that reinforce your knowledge. Course content has been specifically created with all types of learners in mind, and we are a member of the CPD certification service. So to find out more, click the link that's attached or reach out to us over email, LinkedIn, or Twitter. We look forward to helping you begin your digital journey.